Good day everyone. Today I'm going to sharing this IP camera. This IP camera using very low consumption, using a micro USB. Even though I use a power bank, I can operate the whole camera. I show you how it works. I plug in the USB. Wait for a while.
Welcome to Smart Camera.
Now you need to detect the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connection successfully.
Okay, now it already connect. I use my handphone and connect. Okay, even I try to control the camera. Now you can see the camera is moving. Control from my handphone. And I believe he can last the whole day because I tested is more than half an hour. Still 100%. It shows still 100% for the power bank. So this is what I want to share. Thank you.